Welcome back again, folks. This is Deutschland Dan, and I'm back at the hotel. I had to tap out of the karaoke at Cat's Meow early because it's just wasn't really feeling the vibe. So I thought to come back here, and my laptop's still not working properly. So I am going to attempt to repair it using my Swiss Army knife here. I can get this. Get everything out. So I could wait until the battery dies, or I could just try to pop the battery out. So wish me luck. Seems the simplest of tasks is beyond my grasp right now. So I'll let you know how it works out. Dyson dance enough. Peace out.